Standard setters, heartbreak doesn't dim your shine. It polished it. Welcome, Standard Setters. This is your space to build self-worth, setting boundaries in love and in life. Are you ready to unlock your inner power? Let's make it happen. So for today's episode, we're gonna talk about rebuilding self-worth after breakup or betrayal. So kung kaka-break nyo lang or kaka-cheat niya lang, this video is for you. Number 1, reframing rejection as a mismatch. Confident woman don't internalize betrayal or breakups as personal flaws. Nothing gonna do with me. We're just not compatible. We have a different outlook in life. So, kaya kami nagkahiwalay. So, why would I make so hard on myself? Bakit ko pipilitin?
Na hindi naman talaga siya ang para sa akin.
Ganun. So, this mindset will align with your focus to yourself on confidence. It helps you detach from the pain and recognize your value. Number 2, turn pain into growth. Journal about what you've learned, about your strength or values. Example, staying true to yourself during tough time is a win. This aligns with your point about heartbreak being an opportunity for growth. Kasi 'di ba, if kung hindi tayo masaktan, experience ng struggle or pain, hindi tayo mag-grow. So it's part of life. Look at that way. So that you won't take everything personal. So number 3, prioritize self-care. Healing requires intentional care. Create a daily ritual, maybe morning affirmation, or you go for a walk, evening walk to clear your mind. It helps kasi nga, if you are hurt, you look inside. 'Di ba sa mga movies, pag like they're depressed, I go for a walk. Ganon. Nakakatulong yan sa nararamdaman natin kasi hindi tayo magpo-focus sa inside, magpo-focus tayo sa outside. Self-care is non-negotiable. It's necessary. Number 4, lean on community. Kailangan yan sa buhay natin eh. Kasi pag nakafocus lang tayo dun sa partner natin, magiging unhealthy din yan. Mas maganda na we have our own life beside him. So, like you have your yoga community, for example, whatever your hobbies without him. Para pag magkita kayo, you have things to talk about. And then, yeah, it's good also that you surround yourself with good friends or mentor who reminds you of your worth. Share your journey in safe spaces. Like, you could share it with me, you could email it to me. Mas maganda kasi yung i-vent out mo yan or i-write down mo siya. Kasi nakakagaan din ng nararamdaman. Number 5, set empowering boundaries. To protect your peace by defining what you will accept moving forward. Practice saying no to toxic dynamics or draining conversation. Eksena na wala ka namang natutunan ng aral. Nakaka-drain lang yun ng energy mo. This ties your interest in high standards and reinforce that you deserve respect. So you know what? Heartbreaks, I think we should experience that one. It's necessary for us to grow, to learn. Heartbreak doesn't define you. It refines you. You're not starting over. You're leveling up. Own your story. Don't let it own you. Confident woman rewrite the narrative by focusing on their resilience. And paano ba matanggap at mag-move on? Write a letter to your past self. Uy, nakagaan ng loob yun. Acknowledge the pain, but celebrating your strength. Diba? Meron nga kami mga ganyan yung sa trauma retreat namin, sinulat namin yun kung ano yung mga masasakit tapos sinunog namin. Oo, nakakatulong din yun. So last, visualize your empowered future. Picture yourself kung ano yung magagandang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Create a vision board. Mas maganda physical, pero sa akin kasi digital eh. And then you put images of your dreams. Tapos ilagay nyo sa screensaver nyo para mas palagi nyo makikita. Betrayal was a detour, not a destination. Your future is yours to design. Standard setters, heartbreak doesn't dim your shine. it polished it. You are unshakable. Even when heartbreaks tries to tell you otherwise, every step you take, whether it's a saying affirmation, setting a boundary, or leaning on your community, you're not just healing. You're rising stronger, wiser, and more radiant. Let's inspire each other. Mag-comment kayo kung ano yung mga self-worth na ginawa nyo. I meditate today, I did exercise today, I went out with my friends. Mga ganun, share para ma-inspire din yung mga ibang nanonood ngayon. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to unlock your inner power.